Hi everyone, I'm Dawn Duvall. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And welcome. I want to talk to you just for a few minutes about a new special that Stampin' Up! Is offering for joining as a demonstrator. So during the month of October 2022, you have the ability to join my crafting community, and I will tell you one thing about Stampin' Up! If you're not familiar. One thing, if you're a paper crafter or scrapbooker, you will love the products that we have. They all color coordinate. They have stamp sets and dies and markers and everything that coordinates, but I think the one best thing about joining is the ability to join a stamping community. It is a great opportunity to meet lots of women and men throughout the country that has the same passion and love that we all have when it comes to card making. And I think that's one of the most important reasons, and it's therapeutic in my opinion. It's very relaxing, and it serves a community purpose if you decide to donate your cards for our various causes. So I would love to have you join my team. I've been a demonstrator since 2011. I joined the company to get the discount just like everybody else, and never in my wildest dreams did I decide I was going to do this as a business. And I actually love it because I do earn a little bit of extra cash that helps to cover my hobby, if you will, or my business expenses. So, and I would love to have you join. And if you don't want to teach classes or make cards and sell them, that's your prerogative. You can do it for your own benefit. It's just like joining a membership. You pay to get a discount on your future purchases, and that's exactly what you'd be doing with Stampin' Up! So I would love to have you join my team. I have demonstrators all across the East Coast. I am located in Fort Myers, Florida. I do hold monthly meetings with my team via Facebook Lives, and if I don't have a Facebook Live, I do post through our team page. I also post various things for just ideas and tips to share with you, and I'm always available if you need help. If you decide you would like to do this as a business, I'd be more than happy to discuss that with you as well, and also give you some tips on how you can also get purchases from friends, family, and others that like to craft. So during the month of October, our special is for $99. You get to choose $155 worth of product, and then you pay sales tax. So depending on what your state sales tax is, you may be spending anywhere from $105, $106. And that gets you $155 in product. That is such a bargain. So I wouldn't be doing my job if I didn't share this with you. So I do hope that you can give that some consideration and take advantage of this awesome opportunity. So below, I will have a direct link to sign up directly if you choose to do so. And if you have more questions or need more information, then reach out to me by Facebook Messenger. You can text me or email me, and I'll be more than happy to discuss the various options that you have. Okay, so again, thank you again. I greatly appreciate you taking a moment to watch this, and if you'd love to be a part of a crafting community, I would love to have you join my Crafty Girls team. All right, so thanks again. I'm Dawn Duvall, and I look forward to speaking to you soon.